So Bitcoin finally started dumping as I predicted in my previous video that we are going to see a fall in our Bitcoin. So this fall will continue or we are going to see a pump now. We are going with these things in this video. If you don't want to miss anything, then watch this video carefully with others. First of all, if you saw my this Bitcoin update in my Telegram channel, in this update I clearly mentioned that we are going to see, most probably we are going to see a breakdown of this broadening wedge, ascending broadening wedge pattern in our 2 hour chart. And same happened if you watch this chart. Let me put in the chart. If you watch the chart, then the Bitcoin price is here the approx $1,04,500, and it was currently trading in this downtrend line. And after my update, we saw a huge breakdown of this Bitcoin, and it started falling. So if you don't want to miss this type of quality update, then you should join our Telegram channel also. Link is in the description box. So let's start today's video and today's update. And we are going to discuss the Ethereum also. So if you don't want to miss Ethereum, then pause this video carefully. So first of all, we will discuss the chart in our 4 hour time frame. Then we will discuss the chart in our daily time frame. So this is the Bitcoin chart in our 4 hour time frame. And if you watch my previous video carefully, then I mentioned this zone. This was the very good order block zone, because here we saw a very good pump in our Bitcoin. And same happened. Bitcoin came under this zone, and somewhat it got the liquidity here, and it mentioned a liquidity sweep, and then we are seeing a very good pump in our Bitcoin. So this pump is going to continue, or now we are going to see a pump. First of all, we have to wait. Yes, you heard it right. First of all, we have to wait for this this upper trend line, because this upper trend line is a very good trend line for our 4 hour chart. And if this trend line breaks, then we are definitely going to see a pump. But overall, Bitcoin is now looking good, and now we are going to see a pump in our Bitcoin. But if you want a safe position, then you can open a position after breakout of this trend line and after the confirmation. So this was the update for our 4 hour time frame. There is nothing much. So this was the short update for our Bitcoin. Now we are going to see the Bitcoin chart in our daily top frame. So this is the daily time frame. In my previous video, I also mentioned this goal. This zone is very important and very good for our Bitcoin. Bitcoin exactly pumping from this zone. Yesterday we saw a very good red candle on Bitcoin, but now it is currently pumping from this zone. So we have to wait for the candle closing, daily candle closing. If this daily candle closed below this zone, then we are definitely going to see this zone, that is $97,600 zone. And if this candle closing above this zone, then we are going to see the all-time high zone, that is $1,11,000. So this was the update for our daily time frame also. But most probably now we are going to see a healthy pump in our Bitcoin, because this jump was also because of this Elon Musk and Trump fight. So overall, the Bitcoin chart is moving good, and if that fell line broke, let me again hear you. If this trend line breaks, then we are definitely going to see a very good company of a Bitcoin. And if you want a proper confirmation update, then you can join our Telegram channel. I will give an update in that channel also. So now we are going to see the Ethereum chart. What is going to happen around Ethereum? So if you saw this chart, then this is the very good and very strong resistance zone for our Ethereum, that is $2,900 zone, approximately $900. A good resistance zone for our Ethereum. And currently Ethereum is trading under this ranging zone. The ranging zone indicates that we don't have to open a heavy position, or you don't have to enter for a long term. So if you want to enter in Ethereum in short term, like if you want to open intraday trades, then you can open a long trade in intraday, because if you little clear the card there. If you saw this zone, then this is a very good support zone for our short term time frame, like 1 hour time frame. And here Ethereum got a very good liquidity and Ethereum liquidity sweep, and then Ethereum started dumping. So if you want to open a quick trade for intraday or for our scalp, then you can open a long position right now. And I give intraday trading our Ethereum in our Telegram channel. So if you want to take some little risk, then you can open a long position in our Ethereum. But for long term, we have to wait for this zone. We have to wait for this ranging zone. If the breakout of this ranging zone happen, then we can open a long position, and Ethereum will come high. And if we saw a breakdown, then we will see this zone. Let me highlight the one. Then we will see this one. That is 1800, approx $1,800. So if this saw a breakdown, then we are definitely going to see $1,800 worth. Then we can grab some Ethereum at that zone also. But if breakout happens, then we are definitely going to see a very good company over Ethereum. And according to our past data and according to our institutions, we are definitely going to see a very good rally in our Ethereum. Every big institutions like BlackRock are still buying Ethereum in heavy amount, and they are shifting the Bitcoin to Ethereum. It also indicates a very good bull run from our altcoin also. So if you don't want to miss this type of quality update, type of news, then you have to subscribe our channel right now. If you enjoy this video and if you feel this video informative, then hit the right button.